Okay, for this paper collection, I only used a few sheets of the paper and I was able to get out 12 really clean, simple, quick and easy cards, and I'm going to show them to you guys. And I'm just going to talk a little bit about, since I didn't do a talk through, I'm going to show you. I used some regular cardstock, some colored cardstock, and also some heavyweight white cardstock, and this is from the Paper Studio. I love to use this one for my card bases, and then this is the heavyweight holiday stack, which has the green, the reds, and the white in it. So that's what I use for this. I also, before I started the video, I had pre-cut like lots of different die cuts from dies that I had in my stash. And also in the video you saw me cutting up this the foam adhesive, and this is actually like the negative portion from the foam adhesive circles. I have the thin one and the thicker one, and so just don't forget, y'all, we can use these negative parts to adhere things as well. So I just pretty much cut them up and use those to adhere my little dies and whatnot to my card fronts. So let me just show you some of the bling that I used. Was this really old pack of Queen & Company Twinkle Princess cut adhesive stones. I got these a long time ago at a scrapbooking convention, and they've been in my stash, and so I decided to pull them out. And I also always get this every year whenever I go to the scrapbooking convention. I always get these sticky back adhesives, and then of course I showed y'all this one from a Dollar Tree haul, but I didn't have to go into this one. So from the paper collection, let me show you what's left. So there was a full cut apart sheet, and I used almost all of the cut aparts. I still have, I think, 3 cut aparts left, which I plan on doing some tags. But these are the rest of the sticker sheets that I have, and so I'm gonna be making some tags and probably some gift card holders as well, which I'll probably show y'all. So out of the collection, there was 12 double-sided sheets, and that was including the cover sheet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we still have 7 3/4 of a sheet left. So I can make a couple scrapbook pages if I want, or like I said, I'm going to do some projects making some tags and also some gift card holders for Christmas. But I just thought this was a great collection to use to make some quick and easy cards, given the cut aparts in the sticker sheet that came with it. So I'm just going to show you guys again. This is the little card that says "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," and I haven't stamped any sentiments or anything in the inside of these cards yet. I just wanted to do some quick and simple cards, really easy, and I decided not to think too hard, and which is what made it so fast and easy, and they came out looking so cute. So for this Christmas tree, I added a sequin. This right here was border from the stickers. Those two, I just cut the scallop sticker and then one of the straight strip stickers in half and use it for 2 of the cards. So I thought that came out really cute. So just very clean and simple. And a few of these cards you might find card sketches on Pinterest for, because this is definitely one that I found on Pinterest, this card sketch. And I changed it up just a tad bit, and I also added a sticker on top of one of the cut apart labels. I got this little reindeer die. This was a Tim Holtz die from my stash. And also those Christmas trees are from Sizzix die that I've had a long time ago in my stash. And I think I might add some stickles to this little tree right here, and also some more sequin to this one. But I just wanted to give you guys a run through. And I'm sorry if this is a really long video, but it usually takes me probably a full day to do this many cards. So all of my cards are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch, and I just thought this was really pretty as well. This was from one of the stickers. Just add a little the little rope twine around there. But yeah, again, guys, I want to thank you all for watching and liking. If you're not subscribed, please click the link down below this video to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.